Let's check in with VPNs just one more time. VPN is the safest way in which you can connect to your Dappnode. Plus, it provides a safe way to connect to public hotspots without relying on a VPN provider. As much as VPN brings benefits to node runners, it is also common to run into issues if this is the first time you have experience configuring a VPN connection. As you may remember from our VPN configuration video, Dappnode offers two VPN options, Wireguard and OpenVPN. These are our top 4 troubleshooting cases. 1. Connecting from the same network. If using Wireguard, make sure that you are connecting to your local credentials. This is where you can find these. If you're using OpenVPN, don't worry. You can use the same profile for local and remote access. 2. If you can't connect externally using Wireguard, you must make sure that the domain of the endpoint contained in your credentials resolves to your public IP address or your DIN DNS domain. 3. No remote access. Check that your ISP and router support IPv4. Some routers support UPnP, which is a protocol that takes care of port configuration automatically. If UPnP doesn't make it for you, you'll need to open each required port manually. We strongly encourage you to check your router's user manual, as there are hundreds of manufacturers and each of their control panels are different. We suggest that you use our Dappnode's ports menu as a guide. If you still can't access after ports have been forwarded, your network might be inside a carrier-grade NAT, which means your ISP did not provide you with your own public IP address and you'll need to contact them to request it. 4. No UI access. Check the Dappnode documentation to find out how to generate VPN credentials from your terminal. Now, remember, if you have an issue that you still can't solve, don't sweat it. You can refer the issue directly towards our Discord server for assistance. Remember that we will never DM you, so make sure you stay safe while you visit our Discord.